we go, Mickey of Hot Cartel, back with another beer review. This time we're going to do the Co-Conspirators, the Pastry Chef Salted Caramel Slice Stout. Cheeky ass label. He's up to no good by the looks of that. 2.3 standard drinks, 8.2% ABV, coming at you full on with the can statement goes. The pastry chef has raided the sweets cabinet to brew up some dark decadence. A pastry stout reminiscent of a salted caramel slice, showcasing 6 different malts to provide the roast. Chocolate, biscuit and lactose for that creamy mouthfeel. Now for the fun. Aromatic cacao nibs from East Timor, a sprinkle of Himalayan salt and natural caramel added into the fermenter to get your mouth watering, weighing in at 9%. This liquid dessert, with its sweet biscuit, caramel and rich chocolate flavours, will tantalise your taste buds. Life is short, drink dessert first. Says 8.2% ABV, 2.3 standard drinks, but the can statement says 9%. We've been tricked into something a little bit sinister. Hops are Bravo. Malt is pale Munich chocolate, rolled oats, roasted barley and medium crystal. Adjuncts going into this beauty are the lactose, pink Himalayan salt, natural caramel flavour, cacao nibs, Roteo cocoa from East Timor. Brewed in Victoria, in the Carrum Downs area of Victoria to be precise, 355ml can, certified independent. Here we go. Now, this absolutely sounds divine, out of this world delicious. I'm expecting big things from this particular beer. The salted caramel beers haven't really been hitting the spot for me. In particular, more the peanut butter beers, which are pretty much down the same lines as the salted caramel beers. Same aromas and stuff that are coming from it. This smells much like some of the peanut butter stouts that have been coming out. This has a lot more salt on the aroma. Let's just see how much it appeals to me once it hits the glass. Nice aggressive pour. I want to get this vigorated. I want to get as much of that refrigerated coolness out of this beer as possible. And we'll have the other fridge set up soon to house stouts at a particular temperature, particularly the pastry stouts. So we've got to say, well, yeah, 1.5 finger head there. Aroma is breathtaking. The aroma coming off that once it's been poured. Yes, I'm getting salted caramel, but I'm getting a lot of the popcorn sort of aromas too that I expect, that I have been getting from a lot of the, in particular, the peanut butter beers. I'm not been getting a lot of peanut butter from those particular beers. What I'm getting is more the caramel popcorn. But the salted caramel is definitely here within this particular beer. Co-Conspirators, let's hope they hit the mark with this one and somehow put me in a state of wiping the dribble from my chin. It is the last beer of the day for me, this one. Getting ready to put the barbecue on. Barbecue snags. Oh, this just screams pastry. Like, it's got that sweetness. It's got a lot of different things. It's almost like a vanilla, almost like a vanilla slice with a little bit of caramel coming across there. I'm expecting big things from this particular beer. Cheers, here goes. Nice dark colour. The head has dissipated a fair bit, but is still holding up there. A definite amount of what I consider standard lacing from these stouts. They do hang about, which is good. It is very visual tantalising, visually appealing when the stouts do keep that, they create that cling. Cheers. Okay, so with the flavour, I'm getting everything that I'm getting from the aroma, which is that I'm getting that salted caramel, a slight popcorn, unfortunately. Like I said, I just get that. It's just me. Might not be everyone. Might be select few that actually get that same descriptor as what I get from the particular beers. Definitely got the vanilla there, but the salted caramel is coming across. I'm getting the salt, I'm getting the caramel, but once again that the actual caramel popcorn is coming across. But maybe I'm just psychologically thinking that this is coming through as the Hawaiian crunch. Yeah, a Hawaiian crunch being more like a Daryl Lee's Hawaiian crunch. So it has the peanuts, it has the caramel, it has the popcorn, a few other ingredients in it, and that's the perception. Maybe that's what psychological, the whole psychological feeling and aroma and receptors that are coming through with me, associated with these particular beers is the whole psychological thing just feeding up. Mentally to me, into my pathways. I'm just getting that sort of thing. But I'll tell you what, this is probably the closest that I've come to that particular description on the can to the presented beer. Most definitely. I'm more impressed with this than I am with a lot of the peanut butter beers that have been coming out. This has nothing to do with peanut butter beer, but it's definitely still along those lines of desserts slash pastries slash specialty stouts. And this one's probably more nailed down to the description than any other beer that I've had. Especially those who claim to be peanut butter stouts. And for me, with my palate, are far from it. This just screams pastry stout. This screams baker shop. This screams vanilla slices, salted caramels, marshmallows. It screams everything you expect from those sorts of specialty pastry outlets. And definitely quite enjoying this. What confuses me is the fact that they, in the statement, claim 9% and the ABV of the actual standard drinks and the ABV listed legally as 8.2. So they're far out by 0.8%, which is almost a full 1% in their claim within the can statement. That's how that gets by, I don't know. Honestly, is that within tolerance? Who knows? Cheers.